Winter. This is a period when the water heater will be most missed. The water in the pipes is colder than usual, and the heater temperature gauge has to be turned up. Losing heat in the winter is terrible, whether it is heating for the home, cooking, or bath water heating. Last winter, the water heater broke down. In this presentation, Qwik does some maintenance to decrease the chances of being without a functional water heater. A journey of home renovation and maintenance. Welcome to Maintaining 18. Qwik is now removing the heating elements to inspect them. It is the only time the 1.5 inch socket is used. Astute viewers, after judging this matter, the conclusion is to inspect the heating elements after descaling. The heating elements had some buildup which had to be scrubbed off. That work is avoidable. In case you're wondering, the paper towel does not do much. These have to be scrubbed down with something of the Brillo or some form of steel wool. The heating elements are in good shape, except for the first one, which is showing signs of wear. A bit of a twist. Before reinstalling the heating elements, the O-rings are lubricated with petroleum jelly. The heating elements are placed in reversed order, or the fourth change place with the first and the third swap with the second. What fun! Why is Qwik doing this? This allows the heating elements to last longer. How, you ask? The first element does most of the work and is always activated. If the first element is not enough to raise the temperature to the thermostat set value, the second heat element is activated, and so forth. Consequently, the fourth element is barely used. So, placing the fourth element in the first position, the most used position, will even out the usage over time across the four heating elements. Recall, Qwik applied some petroleum jelly to the rubber O-ring before installation of the heating elements. As a result, Qwik's perfect alignment of the heating elements was thrown off, which is okay. The alignment is good enough. This time around, Qwik is using a concentrated chemical. The Descaler requires a 5:1 ratio of water to Descaler. Descaler is red. It makes it hard to see the effect, but we shall see. Concerning a subscription, if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so, and have a warm winter. The Descaler did very well. The water has definitely become much dirtier, quite murky, yucky. There's some debris. They look pretty large floating around, but it's mushy. Not bad. While Qwik will not be repeating this maintenance this year, he has begun the process of procuring some more Descaler. Do you think he'll catch a sale? This Qwik Descaler Plus was inexpensive, under $10. Seems to work very effectively. It might be one to go with in the future. This step is critical. Flush the heater with clean water into a bucket, otherwise debris will flow into the lines and clog the screens at the faucet. Mechanical failure is one way to be without hot water. With this maintenance, such failure is averted. The maintenance is excellent, but will it be enough? With the maintenance complete, it is a good day. The day is won. The channel follows homeowners who became do-it-yourself advocates and home renovators. The catalyst was a contractor who defrauded and left a trashed house with building code violations. Maintaining 18 inspires and equips you to maintain your home better. Experience tells me, when knowledge of a situation precedes situational experience, a better outcome is often won. Please subscribe and win your days.